Good morning, children. Today I am going to start with the factors affecting India's climate. Beta, in India's climate factors, I have discussed about latitude and altitude in my previous videos. Today I'll take pressure and winds. The climate and associated weather conditions in India are governed by the different atmospheric conditions. The first is pressure and surface winds, upper air circulation, and western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones. Beta, here in this diagram you can see, as per the description, India lies in the region of northeasterly winds. Beta, pink color, yellows, you can pink color arrows, you can see that this is showing that India lies in northeasterly winds, the winds which are blowing from northeast direction. These winds are also known as trade winds. These winds originate from the subtropical high pressure area. Beta, in the diagram you can see these winds are originating from subtropical high pressure area. Beta, the whole globe is divided into seven uh, uh, tropical seven pressure belts. So these northeasterly winds are originating from subtropical high pressure belt of the northern hemisphere. And in the diagram you can see they blow south but get deflected to the right due to the Coriolis force. You can see these are moving towards the right direction, though actually these are blowing towards the south, but due to the Coriolis effect these winds are turning towards their right direction and move on towards the equatorial low pressure area, where it is moving towards low pressure area. Beta, there is a thumb rule of wind movement that wind always move from high pressure to low pressure area. ठीक है बेटा, ये आपने हमेशा अपने दिमाग में रखना है कि जो विंड का मूवमेंट होता है वो हमेशा आपका हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की तरफ होता है. तो हेयर यू कैन सी दीज विंड्स आर मूविंग फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर टू द लो प्रेशर एरिया ऑफ इक्वेटोरियल लो प्रेशर एरिया. जनरली दीज विंड्स कैरी वेरी लिटिल मॉइस्चर. ये विंड्स क्या है, आपको बहुत कम मॉइस्चर लेकर बढ़ती हैं and blow over land. क्यों कम moisture है? Because they are moving over the land. Here in the diagram you can see these winds are moving from India's land, so that is why these winds didn't have any moisture. Hence India, according to this theory, India should have been an arid land. अगर हम इस थ्योरी को, इस डायग्राम को ध्यान से देखें तो इसके हिसाब से इंडिया जो है एक एरिड लैंड होना चाहिए, बट इट इज़ नॉट सो. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. लेट अस सी वाई. लेकिन ऐसा क्यों नहीं है? नाउ लेट्स फाइंड द आंसर. The answer of this question, the pressure and wind conditions over India are unique. How it is unique? During winter there is a high pressure area. Here in this map beta you can see during winter there is a high pressure area north of the Himalayas. In this map you can see this is the high pressure area north of the Himalayas. This is the Tibetan plateaus north of the Himalayas. There is a high pressure area. North of the cold dry winds blow from this region. The movement of the arrows you can see, these are the arrows, these are the wind direction. Cold dry winds blow from this region to the low pressure area over the Indian over the ocean to the south. Here you can see the arrow in the first map. You can see the arrows which are indicating the movement of air from high pressure area to the low pressure area towards Indian Ocean. But in the second map you can see in summer a low pressure area develops over Asia. आप समर में देखिए द मूवमेंट्स जो आपका लो प्रेशर एरिया कहाँ पर शिफ्ट हो जाता है, दैट shifts that low pressure area develops over interior Asia as well as northwestern India. Now here Beta, here in this map you can see these are the two different positions. During winter a high pressure area creates over here over North India, northwestern part of India and north of the India. So that time air moves from northeast direction to the southwest direction. But during summer, the pink color you can see, during summer there is a low pressure area creates over the northwest part of India and over interior Asia. Okay, here I am talking about in India's reference, so that is why you have to focus over here. These are the two different seasons, different positions of movement of the winds. High pressure area during winter, which is shown with green color, and another low pressure area during summer, and this is just because of the change of position of the sun. Okay, as you know that earth revolves around the sun, and it the sun shifts from tropic of Cancer in summer to uh, tropic of